Phoenix. In this video, I'm going to be reviewing a plugin that will help you to create an LMS system. The plugin name is TutorLMS. What I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be implementing in this website. I'm going to be creating these sections. I'm going to be showing you how to use the product in the back of it. So let's take a look in the back. How to add courses in it. There you go. How to implement into Carflows. Let's take a look. Here is it. How to create courses in sections. How to add text. How to add this type of options, paid options, free options. How to use the course page builder. How to make some adjustments into WooCommerce in order to make it to work a little bit better than usual. And I will give you some suggestions to the developers. What do I think that they should improve in this product? So stay tuned for the video and don't forget to subscribe. All right, so let's start with it. Let's here. So I already pre-installed my theme. So let's take a look to it. This is a free theme from Astra. It's a free layout that comes with the Astra themes. It's just for like demo purposes that I did it, like just to show you guys how TutorLMS pretty much works. So here is the site that I pretty much have done with it. As you can see, I only had changed the picture, the picture of the header, the image into the product, which I'm going to be showing you how to do it and why I did it. So, but let's start by installing the TutorLMS plugin. I have pre-installed a few of the items that I'm going to be using, like a few plugins. For example, Astra and Elementor. I'm going to be using those ones. So, and that was the main reason why I had installed it. Astra, Elementor, and I'm going to be using Carflows too. WP Pivot, it's just to make a backup. So, because I pre-made this site and then I just transfer it into this, let's say hosting, because I do want to give an option to put the site in like a different language. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be entering into like the files management system in order to make those adjustments. All right, so let's start by adding TutorLMS. I'm pretty sure it's going to pop it up. So as you can see, nothing is added over here. So but let's add it to TutorLMS. I'm adding it right now. It will take a few seconds and let's activate it. Okay. Here is TutorLMS and the courses. There is nothing in it because we haven't created anything. Add-ons, you do have an options for the add-ons. All of them do come with the pro version. I mean, to be honest, in my personal opinion, they're great. For example, like the gradebook, the content drape, enrollments. It does unlock a lot of features and a lot of great features, let's say like that. I'm not really using paid membership, and the reason why it's because I'm using the WooCommerce and it works perfectly with the WooCommerce extension. The total report, it's it's a great option if you want to see how your course are doing, where you're selling, what do you have to improve. The tutor pre-course, it's pretty good. Also, it will tell your student that it has to take a different course before taking that one if he actually wants to get full knowledge of what they are taking it. The multi instructor, it's more like when they came out with their announce. It's more when you want to do something like Udemy, let's say. We have multiple people like trying to add content into the system. So I do have the pro version. So and I'm gonna be installing now the pro version. And the reason why is because I like it and it will unlock more features of it. But that doesn't mean that we cannot do anything with the free version. The free version also works great. So you know what? Let's add a course with a free version just to show you how it will work. So let's add this title, TutorLMS Pro. All right. So let's add a TutorLMS Pro. Let's let's add some text, some demo text. Okay. Let's highlight. Let's go back. Let's add it right here. Okay. Let's add as a header. All right. Okay. Let's go like this. Perfect. And in here, it will ask you, what level are your students? Are they give you four different options. You can modify them if you want to. If you're like switching the language, it will let you modify them. I will say you can actually modify with into the team into the options, but I wouldn't be doing it if it's not necessary. I have when I translate it to Spanish, I did modify the meaning of it. So, like I said, it's not impossible with it. Categories. Let's create learning system. All right, or something like that. Okay, so we have that category, and in the bottom of it, let's set an image. Perfect. Let's set this image. Okay, that doesn't mean that it's the right one, but let's set it up that image. We're not going to touch any of these ones because that has nothing to do with the course. And let's start adding topics. Mm, Starting with TutorLMS. Okay, let's put a TTLMS, all right? Summary, if you want to add any summary, you can actually just copy some of it. Okay, so let's copy some of this one. And let's go back here and let's add a summary. Oopsie, we just copied part of it. Okay, perfect. Let's go back. Let's add. There you go. Now that we have those things, you can actually fill it up all of these details if you want to. It's up to you. Like how long is gonna take this course? Let's say I mean this topic, 1 hour, 1 minute, and 20 seconds. All right. Benefits of the course, you can say, oh, because people are going to be learning more how to become a better instructor, let's say. Requirements and instructions. This is like if the students need to have like let's say in how can I tell you this, if they do need to have any type of materials before they should bring it in, or like if they need to do something specific before they come into the class, because the materials included, let's say that if you're providing something like, okay, like the software to use, if you're providing any type of coding that they have to add into the system, if you're teaching something related to to design, or something related to building websites, let's say. Okay, so the course intro video, they have added a few more options like embed, because they at the beginning they only had like four of it, but now they had added this ones like embedding system. Let's see if I can go into my boot player account and let's copy one of the videos. Okay, that doesn't mean that it's going to be the right video, but I just want to make sure that I copy. Okay, let's copy, let's go back, and let's paste the text right here if you want to add that type of intro, so when people visit it they can actually see the video playing it. Right, the target audience, you will see like which audience it will be targeting. Okay, so far we have filled everything in here, but it seems like it doesn't give it an option to put the price in it, or like to sell the videos. And this is what when WooCommerce comes into the action. So let's go into settings. In settings, I will enable this so people can check out as a guest, and monetize. Right next to it, it says how do you want to monetize. Okay, I don't want to sell by using a WooCommerce, so I did add a WooCommerce in it, and it will let me add the products into the system right here. What it's a WooCommerce, I'm pretty sure that this was the image that we added. Okay, let's put a tutor. Okay, tutor LMS Pro. Perfect. And in here, we're gonna add another category. That's gonna be system. I mean, you can add any category that you actually think that is gonna work for you, but that's the one that I'm gonna be adding. It has the image right here. It says for tutor, right? So for tutor means that it's gonna pop it up in like the other system, telling me that I can add this product into TutorLMS. Okay, let's add 250, and on the deal price it's $30.60. So we're gonna update the system right here, and what's gonna happen is we're gonna go back to the courses. In here we're gonna go back, and in here we're gonna select the product. And Tutor LMS Pro, it's a free or it's a pro. I mean, it was a paid. It's a paid option. So that's what it, this option wasn't in here before, but now that we have added it comes back to the system. All right, beautiful. Collapse all and all. Okay, perfect. Now let's just update the system. Let's go out front. Here is the front of it, and let's go to dashboard. Okay, so let's type it in dashboard in the URL, and it will take me to the main dashboard from Tutor. It's right here, TutorLMS. Here is the intro that it has in it. Okay, here's the text. What will you learn? This is everything. It's pretty demo. Okay, in this section, like I was telling you before, it will give an option to change. If you change languages, you can actually modify the meaning of it, because sometimes in like a different language it means something different than what the author tried to mean. Like sometimes one word can mean different things in like different countries. If I'm talking about Spanish, all right, so that's what I'm talking about. And the rating stars, it's pretty simple, it's pretty good too. Here's who is created by. Here are the options if you want to share. I mean, this whole section, it's really important because it says what category is it, how many hours are you going to be learning, how many people have enrolled, and when was the last, when was the last time that the plugin was, the plugin or the system was updated. Because it's really important that you're taking something that it's been taking care of it. Sometimes people just make products and they don't take care of it, so nothing will really um, become more mature, more with more features or anything like that. There are a lot of products that are being updated every time, so you do need to get updates into the tutorials if you're doing tutorials too. Okay, so now that I have tell you this, let's go back to the dashboard. Let's go over some of the features that it has, like my profile. It will display all info you have in here. Enrollment courses. They will show you which course you have, which ones you have active, which ones you have complete. Wish list. It will actually let you put courses into the wish list too. Reviews, my quiz attempts, courses, earning. Here is it. It will display like a chart with all the earnings that you have. Withdrawals. It will show you how much money you have withdraw from the courses. Quiz attempts, how many times did a student or you have tried done this. Purchase history, it will show you what have you buy it. Settings, it will be like same as the regular dashboards, just like if you want to upload some type of profile image or give it any other details into your account, it will be here. All right, so let's go back to the courses, because so far what we have here, it's a course that it hasn't been complete yet because it's missing the bottom of it. It doesn't have the topics. It's missing. So let's go back, and on the bottom of it, right here, we have a topic, right? Let's delete this one. All right, and let's add a draft. I don't need draft. Let's delete this one. Let's add a new topic, which is going to be lesson 1. Okay, lesson 1. We're gonna add a new lesson. Let's add this thing: how to create a video. Let's say, I don't know, I'm just mixing some different aspects here, but it's not a problem. Upload a feature image if you want to. You can actually just put a feature image into it. Let's add this one. Okay, now that you have a feature image, you can actually embed a video too. I will embed the video, and the main reason why I will do that, it's because it wouldn't overload my system, like my provider, my hosting provider, because most of them, they do have a limits. When they said it's unlimited, it's not unlimited. They do have limits for it. So I will embed that. So I will have done that. All right. So just be aware of it, and of this little, let's say, tweak, because I'm pretty sure that you already know that. Okay. Upload attachments if you want to. It's up to you if you want to upload it. Let's upload it. This one, all right? Okay. Use this image. It's up to you. Okay. So now that you have done that, you can update the lesson. And here is going to be how to create a video. Okay. You can add more lessons too. Lesson 2. Let's just add a lesson 2, and we're pretty much done with this one, right? You can add any type of intro. It will help you to implement your your course. All right, you can add it. Perfect. Right here, And same as the bottom, if you want to embed any type of video, if you want to put how much time it will take to use this, you can do it. As my personal opinion, this is how people's brain works. It's not a lesson. Let's put it. This one's gonna be part of the lesson one already. So let's add in how to clear, let's say, an image. Okay, there you go. We're good there. And now let's update this. Let's go back over here. Okay, now it's this one. Okay, let's refresh, and here is it. As you can see, these ones are right here. If you want to add a time to it, you can add time to it. Okay, lesson one, but you have a lesson one, how to create a video. How long will it take? 20 minutes. Let's say 20 minutes. Okay. And how about how to clear an image? How to clear an image, it will take me 10 minutes to do it. So let's update it. But here where it comes the pro version. Why it will be great if you can afford it to buy the pro version. Because so far you have done those the lessons and everything, but let me show you why it will be a great option if you can afford it, the pro version. All right, so 2 lessons right here. It will tell you 1 hour, 1 minute, and you know what, let's embed the same video that we had that we had embed before. Let's embed in this one too. Okay, right here. What source is it? It's an MB. All right, let's add it. Perfect. And here we go. But in here, I'm gonna activate the pro version because I don't want to get more features in it, and I'm gonna show you which features I'm gonna be using it. I'm not gonna put my license in it. So let's go to settings. Oh, my bad. I'm sorry. Let's go to add-ons. Let's activate them. I don't need this one anyways. Okay, multi-instructors if you want to have multi-instructors. Beautiful. Now that you have done that, let's go back to the courses and let's go to the only one that we currently have. Let's go to lessons, and in the lessons, as you can see, now they give you an option to create assignments. With the pro version, you can create assignments if you want to, how long it will take, what are the passing points, if you want to allow to upload files, how much space will the files need to have, the time, and so on. Okay, so those are one of the reasons why I like the pro version of it, because it will give you more freedom of it. So that if you want to say same as content drip, if you want to add a content drip, you can enable. It's up to you. If you want to schedule course by content by day, if you want, oh, this is great because content available after X days from enrollment. You know, it like I said, it's a great option too that you can use it. Attach private files. I have request them, like when it's right here, this option, the attachment private files. I have request them if we can embed private files instead of attaching them, if we can embed them. I don't know if it's possible. I don't know if I'm asking for too much, but I had asked them for it, so hopefully they're working on that one, because like I said, I would like to see how to embed the attachment files. All right, and in here, let's go back into how to create a video. And in here, it just had appear this little option, enable course preview, if you want to show people what's this course about it, or you can disable so people has to pay for it before actually coming into this section. All right, let's update. Let's take a look to the site live. Let's see how the system how work. Let me find it out which was the course that we have done it. Okay, let's go on all products. Hopefully it's here. Fresh, organics. Pretty sure that we have changed. Here we go. TutorLMS. It's right here. Okay, you can add to the cart. Because remember that we had added the option to check out, I guess, if you want to. Here are the options. You can just go back. This is the way. This is the checkout from WooCommerce. Let's see what it appears when we put it just dashboard. Let's see if it pops up. There you go. That I have to be signing. Obviously you have to sign in. All right, so let's go back into the system. Let's update the system. Perfect, we have saved those changes, and let's create a coupon so we can actually use it by purchase our own product. Let's say, okay, let's put a tutor one, publish, coupon amount 100, percentage 100%. Okay, no restrictions, no maximum, unlimited use. All right, perfect. Now let's go back. Here's the course. Let's click on it. Let's save a few of these pages. Okay, right here, add to the cart. Now that we had add to the cart, let's view the cart. But before we go and view the cart, I'm sorry, I forgot to mention you. With the pro version, this is what it comes out. You see, it has like a lock in it, so you do have to pay for it before seeing this. But if you just go back there and you modify, instead of paying for it just to make it free so anyone can see it, it will actually update up front too. So right here, span all, this one, how to clear an image. Let's make a preview. Okay, so let's go back. Beautiful, and let's refresh. So if we refresh it right, this thing will take out the lock from me. There you go. You see it? So now if I want to, I can just click on it and it's going to display me what does the product has it. Okay, so now that we have it over here, let's go to checkout. I do want to buy the product, but only one of it. Update. Perfect. Proceed to checkout. I forgot the coupon. Tutor one. Here we go. I want to apply this coupon. Perfect. Okay. So this is the info. I don't like to add all of this info in the system. So if I was you, I would be adding something like Carflows, where it lets you just modify all the checkouts and everything, so you don't really have to add all of this. Okay, so here is it. Here is our order. Thank you, your order has been received. Okay, let's go to our account. If it goes to our account, it will take us to the WooCommerce account. It will show you the order, what you have, downloads if you have downloaded. But if you go to dashboard, okay, it will bring you to the main screen from the school. enroll in courses, my profile. All right, let's go to enrollment courses. Okay, there's nothing here, and this is why. It's because we're using a sandbox. That's what I think, and that's what it had happened to me before, because I'm using a PayPal sandbox just for testing purposes. I'm not using anything to actually make the order legit. So that's why the order it's still processing. The order has not been placed yet. So what we have to do is make sure that the order gets complete. Otherwise, if we don't get the order complete, we're not going to be able to check the course in our page. So meaning, there you go. It will update the system. And now that we have updated over here, it should put the course right here. There you go. As you can see, it just pop it up. Just keep in mind that if you're using the sandbox mode from PayPal, it will do this. But if you're using PayPal, let me show you. Okay, let's go into WooCommerce, because this order comes from WooCommerce. Where are you, WooCommerce? Oh, right here. Settings and payment. Right here, I have PayPal active. Yes, I do have active, but I have active as a sandbox. All right. If I don't activate sandbox, I will need to have this info in order to collect payments. Why? Because let me show you now. If I leave it like that and I go to the order system, orders, it's gonna pop it up a different error. Right here, order change, pending, payment process. All right, so it's still pending. So you do need to complete that in order to have fully access into your course. So just keep it in mind that it might be something simple that you might forget to do, or it might be something that you didn't know how to do it. Okay, so let's keep it like a sandbox. Let's go back to our dashboard, and here is it. Here's our course. We can start whenever we feel like it. Here is the video intro that we created. Start course, complete course, generate the gradebook. Here is it. You have been enrolled on November 26, 2019. Beautiful. And now that we actually have paid for it, it will unlock all of it. Right? Here is it. And here is the same video. I mean, like, I just put the same video as before. Let's complete this lesson. Let's say okay. And here's another great option that comes with the TutorLMS, where you can actually ask questions to the instructor, like I don't know, something they probably didn't understand from the video. Okay, you can always ask them questions. Okay, let's say why it's the video so slow, an example. And let's put the same thing. Okay, I have been testing for hours, whatever. Okay, so now that we are in the student, we're gonna submit the question. The question that we just had submit is gonna come over here into TutorLMS Pro Q&A, and right here, here's a question. You can actually just answer it right through it. Done. Okay, let's place the answer, and it's gonna pop it up over here again. Let's refresh this one. Here we go. Done. What I would love to see it, and I had asked to TutorLMS, it's like if there is any way that we can add like an internal chat system. That would be also like just to have like an internal chat system. Let's say from student to student, from student to instructor. I know the Q&A, it's easy, but with that other option, it will be even better than what we're already using. Right. So now that we have created, we have pretty much, we have been using the product. I have been showing you how to use it. Let's um, let's go back and let's add another plugin. And the reason why we're gonna add another plugin, it's because I want to show you guys how you can create um your flows. That's what they call it. From Carflow, you can create flows. Well, I missed the letter R. There you go. Let's install Carflows, and it's gonna let you create funnels. It's very important. It's so easy to do it. You can implement the funnels or like sales in two different ways, in my opinion. First one, it's by creating flows, and the second one is it's by promoting your product in a pop-up. So now we need Elementor, right? We already have installed Elementor. Checkout with well, designed to WooCommerce, sell physical products, no full need. Checkout we WooCommerce. Okay, let's say yes. Okay, I do not need the training, and let's start creating our flow. Okay, let's pick it up any random one. Let's pick it up a free one. Let's import this one. Okay. Beautiful. It's 1 out of 3. I'm sorry. There you go. And it should be done perfectly. And in here, we're gonna add it. It's Tutor Pro Flow. Let's update. Perfect. And let's edit the checkout page. Why? Because we do need to have a checkout option. Let's add some code EA123, all right, 4. Okay, I like that color. I don't know why, but I like that color. And in here, we're gonna select the product. What product we like to promote it. I would like to promote it in the Flow TutorLMS Pro. Okay, they do have more options in like the Pro version. So Carflows is a great option, but they do have more. I mean the order bump and the checkout offers, they do come in the Pro version, but that doesn't mean that it's any worth it to buy this product. It's a really good one. All right, so let's go back, and now let's edit this one too. That's the landing page that we want to edit, and we obviously want to edit with Elementor. All right, so now that we're here, beautiful. Let's copy the URL from the product, so it will send us to the product when we're ready to check out. Okay, here you go. You can actually use this one if you want to, or you can use the other one, but so far we're gonna be creating with this one. All right, I got it. Buy it now. Okay, right here we're gonna buy it now. Okay, and it's gonna be a URL. Same thing over here. Same thing. Buy it now. Buy it now. Okay, and as an option, I mean as an image, I would like to get a different image. Let's say that I want to add this one, for example, right? Delivering packages. Perfect. Let's take a look to the funnel. Okay, the image didn't came up because it's an SVG image. All right, so let's go back. Let's add the one that they had it. All right, so there you go. Beautiful. As you can see, I do have some lovely images right here, and I bought this product that's called Shape the SO. It comes with the animated illustrations, animated icons, and regular icons. Right over here, they do give you the code, and they do give you the options to download them. Right. Let's say that I want to download. You know what? Let's download one image from here, and let's add it into the system. Solving problems. All right, this one, but I do want to get in the color from the one that I'm currently using. All right, so here is it. Beautiful. And I want it white. I want it black. All right, I want it like that. Perfect. So now that I have that image, I can download it as a PNG. Download it. Let's go back and let's upload the image. Okay, solving problems. Let's upload the image and let's add it into the landing page from Carflows. Beautiful. Let's see if it brings the image over here. Now that's PNG. There we go. It was SVG before, now it's PNG. It just brings the image. Okay, so now that we're done with this, okay, so what happens if we click it in here? If we click it in buy now button, it's obviously gonna take us to the home page of the product. All right, let's take a look too. So far it's loading. All right, here is it. Let's scroll down. Just remember that you can add it, modify, or do anything what you want with this product. All right, so here is the live site. Let's hide this one, and you want to put buy now. So after you put it buy now, it will take you to the section of the product, so you can buy the product. All right, so let's go over a few questions that we have from Facebook, from TutorLMS community. All right, the first one, it's I actually had those questions. Right, so it says, can we use it with Carflows? Yes. As I was showing you before, this landing page, this funnel was created with Carflows. Can I use it with TribeCard? Yes. At the moment, TribeCard has an extension that it's called Card2WP. So this person has created this extension, this integration, just to make sure that TutorLMS will work with Card2WP. Okay, I mean Card2WP, it's like a bridge between TutorLMS, TribeCard, and WooCommerce. It's more like a WooCommerce. It's more like WordPress and TribeCard integration, right? So that this one has nothing to do with WooCommerce. It will actually replace WooCommerce somehow. Okay, so let's go for the next question that I posted. Adding custom CSS to enhance the look of the functionality. Yes, the custom CSS, it's a great option. They do have the ability of allowing people to use the some coding in their teams. I'm talking about the people who have created TutorLMS. They do allow people to modify the theme. And if you are using a different system of designing, you don't really need to modify. Can I make it bilingual? I had requested it and I asked support. They said that yes, it does support WPML as a bilingual plugin. to use. Do I need the pro version to make it function 100%? Yes and no. No, because the system will work 100% without the pro version. But if you want like the content drip, if you want like a previous section of the product to see it, that it will require the pro version, right? And they do have more features coming soon. So just keep it in mind that if you do want to buy it, it's a great option, because at this point they're running a lifetime deal in their site. And okay, so in here, this is the purchase that I made. I'm not doing this video because I just feel like doing it. It's because I have been using it. It's because I have been testing. So I bought her for $1,000 in May 31st, 2019. Right. So, but they do have a current deal going on for like $500, if I'm not mistaken. You can just buy the TutorLMS. Okay, get the Pro. Here's $4.99. You will just have the option to buy TutorLMS if you feel like it at half the price at this point. So don't miss it. So at the end of the video, I'm gonna be adding a link in the description so you can buy the product for this amount. And like I said, if you can afford it, you better buy it, because it's a great tool. It has a great features and it has a great potential. Let me see what other question. Does it works with the WooCommerce? Yes, it does. I mean, like I was showing you, it works with WooCommerce 100%. Can I embed videos? Yes, you can embed videos, except in the private files. Well, I was requesting them to make some updates so we can embed private files if it's possible. Does it work with page builders? Yes, I'm using Elementor page builder, so it does work with page builders too. Okay, so let's go back to the system. And now that we have created all of this section, now let's go back to the back end. And you know what? Let's design the front end, the face of the store. So these shortcodes are from WooCommerce, right? The sections are from WooCommerce. What happens if you want to add your personal section right here? Okay, you can add one. Let me add another one. All right, so I can show you how to pretty much add plugins from a not plugins, products from a TutorLMS right here. Let's say courses, right? These are the latest courses. All right, let's put it in the middle, in the center, and I will go like this: image, perfect, text, perfect, and button. Okay, let's select an image. Let's select this one. Text, TutorLMS Pro. Okay, center. Click here to buy. Just put the URL of the product. Okay, and we will put it by now. Perfect. And same as the other one, we're gonna put in the center. You can modify the colors if you want to. I'm gonna modify the colors. I'm gonna put a my color EA1234. Oops, too many EAs. One extra. Okay, there you go. And don't forget to put the most important thing: how much, the price. I think it was 30.60 because it wasn't like a temporary offer. Okay, so let's duplicate this section so we can actually kind of see how is this gonna look later on. Let's delete this one. Okay, let's duplicate this section and let's duplicate this section. Okay, so from here let's take it down over here, and let's get some spacer between it right there. Beautiful. So this is what you can pretty much do. It's gonna take you to the same checkout page as it will take you normally. So let's update the site, and let's take a look into the live site. Okay, so let's delete that one and let's open it up. Here we go, and here is it. See, you don't have to go crazy, just click buy now, and there is it. What I'm using it now, I'm using to make a website. I'm trying to implement some courses in here. This is my personal website. Let's take a look to this one. I have translated to Spanish. Okay, so here I still have to work in the text because it ain't ready yet. So, but this is pretty much how it will do. It's working with Edumax, with a team from Teamian. It is working with Edumax. So, but still, I like how it looks. Let's take a look to the courses. This is how they look. And like I was telling you, the wish list, it's right here. See, it will become enabled as soon as you're done with it, right? So let's go back to the main screen. Let's take a look again to the product that we're using it. Like I said before, it's pretty simple. It's in like a lifetime offer. Don't forget to buy it if you really want to buy it. Don't let it go by because the time goes so fast. And also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And like I said, I'm gonna be leaving the link for the product so you can buy directly from this video. All right. Once again, this is Byron, and have a wonderful day. Take care. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.